Unlike many superheroes, Dinah's strength isn't just in her powers, it's in her discipline, strategy, and unbreakable will. Fun fact, in many versions of her story, she's a hand-to-hand combat instructor for the Justice League. Dinah's romance with Green Arrow is legendary, proving that even superheroes struggle with love and relationships. Despite her deadly abilities, Black Canary fights with compassion. She believes in second chances, even for her enemies. Her canary cry is strong enough to level buildings, but she's just as dangerous when she fights in silence.